Myself, when I have money, I love to enjoy it because I try to work as hard as I can to get it. And when I do get it, I want to spend it as happily as I can. So I have that kind of relationship that if I have money, I need someone to take it away from me as soon as they can. My name is Francis Mugoya and I live in Longoja. I am a social worker. I work with the children's NGO called Watoto Wasoka. About 6 years ago, a friend of mine approached me and told me about what she was doing with her salary and savings. And it interested me, so I asked her how I could sign up. And she told me it's actually possible if I just walked into my bank and spoke to an agent. I approached my bank at ABSA at the Nanklabia branch, and I spoke to an agent, and so I signed up. During the first year, it was quite a challenge seeing an a standing order on my account, kind of losing money on a monthly basis. And then in the second year, I got used to it, and I focused on the goal that I was saving for something bigger. I was ensuring my future. And when it finally matured and I got the call from Prudential, I was very excited that I had been patient with myself and I had been diligent and disciplined. And so when the policy matured, they called me and the payout was made. I straight away went and spoke to my brother and I bought a small piece of land on the outskirts of Wachiso, and I felt very, very proud of myself. And so I live with comfort, and I want to take on another policy because I know what that particular policy did for me, the things I was able to do beyond just buying that piece of land. Oh boy, the joy that is when they give you that call that your policy has matured is undescribable. So for me, I would encourage as many people as possible to take up an insurance policy, to think long term, that you do not have to, eat whatever you have, like a fisherman, they say, but to just have that sense that I have a life today, but there is also tomorrow. There is something long term I can do with my money. And for me, that was the biggest takeaway from those 5 years that I diligently saved with my insurance policy. So for me, I'm very, very grateful to Prudential. During that time when I needed to do something with my money, something purposeful, they came through for me. And they were very honest with the whole process. I had a few challenges along the way, but they were always encouraging me. And when the maturity period reached, I think it took me, 48 hours max to get the money through. And the customer relationship was great. So I would be very, very positive to do another policy with Prudential again. I would encourage as many people as possible because it is a trustworthy partner, at least from my experience.